Hello students, in this session you are going to study about the contract of agency. The meaning of agency is section 182 of the Indian Contract Act defines an agent as a person employed to do any act for another or to represent another in dealing with the third person. The person for whom such act is done or who is so represented is called the principal. The legal relationship that is created between the principal and the agent is called the agency. For example, let us consider the above meaning of agent, principal and agency with an example. Suppose A appoints B to buy 500 bales of cotton on his behalf. In this case, A is the principal, B is his agent, and the relationship that exists between A and B is the agency. Rights of an agent. An agent has certain rights against the principal. The right to receive remuneration. Under section 219 to 220 of the Indian Contract Act, unless he has agreed to work gratuitously, an agent is entitled to receive the agreed remuneration. If there is no specific agreement regarding the amount of remuneration, he is entitled to a reasonable remuneration. Right to retain. Under section 217 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent can retain out of any sums received by him on behalf of the principal all monies due to himself in respect of advances made by him to the principal, expenses properly incurred by him in conducting the business of agency, and also the remuneration due to him for his agency work. Third one, right to lien. As per section 221 of Indian Contract Act, in absence of any contract to the contrary, an agent has the right to particular lien. Under the right of particular lien, he can retain goods, papers or other properties of the principal received by him in the course of agency until the amount due to him for the remuneration for services rendered. Fourth one, right of indemnification. Under section 222 of Indian Contract Act, an agent has a right to be indemnified against the consequences of all lawful acts done by him. However, he is not entitled to be indemnified against the consequences of unlawful or criminal acts, even if it is permitted to commit such acts. Fifth one, right to be indemnified for acts done in good faith. Under section 223 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent has a right to be indemnified against the consequences of acts done by him in good faith, even if the acts cause injury to the principal. Sixth one, right to be compensated for any injury sustained by him due to the neglect or want of skill on the part of the principal. Under section 225 of Indian Contract Act, an agent has the right to be compensated for any injury sustained by him due to the neglect or want of skill on the principal. Right of stoppage in transit. An agent has a right to stop the goods in transit to the principal where he has bought the goods for the principal either with his own money or by incurring a personal liability for the price and the principal has become insolvent. Thank you.